Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix banned account in Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now there are two ways to fix the problem. The first thing you can do is go to Play Store application. In the search bar, type in Mobile Legends. Now go to the app, scroll down your screen, and here you can see the app support section. Tap on it. Click on the email option and then use your email service to explain that your account has been banned by mistake. You can simply type in account support in the subject section, and then within your email body, you can just explain how your account has been banned by mistake. Make sure to provide your username as well. Then you can simply send this email, and when Mobile Legends game team replies to your email, you will be given instructions on how you can regain access to your banned account. If you do not get a positive response from the team, or if you are unable to recover your account with this, then go ahead and open Settings application. Scroll down your screen and go to Apps. Click on Manage Apps option. Then search for Mobile Legends. Click on the storage option. Click on the eraser icon that says clear all data. Then click on the OK button. This will log you out from all of your account. Now while logging into Mobile Legends, you'll have to use a different Google account. So that is how you can fix banned account in Mobile Legends. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.